Let me show you an easy way to change your age on your Apple ID account. If it doesn't work to change your age on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac computer, you can always change it online. I'll show you how to do it. Now, first head into the Settings app on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. And from here, you can tap on your name at the very top to change your birthday or age. From your Apple account, you'll be able to see at the top is personal info. Just tap on that and it will have your name, your birthday, etc. Just tap on your birthday here and update this to a new birthday. Now, if this isn't correct, you can always update it here, but if it doesn't allow you to update it there, keep in mind we can always go back out of here and try the web-based version. Sometimes the web-based version works where the other one doesn't. So go to account.apple.com. After you've done that, tap on the drop-down arrow at the top right, and then we're going to choose to sign in. Let me just use my Face ID real quick. And after I've done that, signed in, I'll be able to change the personal information on the web-based version. From here, you can see a bunch of information. All I need to do is go through here and you can see all of this information. I can tap on email and phone numbers, edit that, but also I'll be able to change that information associated with my contact info and my birthday in the legacy contacts or in sign in. Now, if those don't work for you, let's head into the Settings app. Let's scroll down, tap on Screen Time, and then Content and Privacy Restrictions. If this is turned on, it might limit your ability to change or update that birthday, so just turn that off. And then also go back out of here, scroll to the top, tap on your name, and then tap on Family. If you're set as a child under a family account, unfortunately, you won't be able to change your name. The parent or guardian has to be able to change your date of birth.